It's 12:02 at 11:33 and it's raining. And we're outside waiting for Casper to go poopies. Hey guys! A lot of people say that their dogs don't like to go outside in the rain and they poop in the house, but it's raining and wet. Well, that's because you're not going out in the rain. You're standing under the awning, or you're standing under an awning? The overhang on your porch, and you're sending them out. It's kind of giving them the impression that the rain isn't good. So, yeah, 11:33, and you saw he just went poopies. Yay, good boy, good boy, good boy. Who else is gonna go poopies? Who else is gonna go poopies? Puff, puff. Hi, puff, puff. I don't know if this video is gonna work. It's very dark, but you'll hear my voice maybe. Here are the guys. Oh, that's my flower pot. I thought it was my bucket. I'm missing my Home Depot bucket. Choo Choo! What are you doing up there? Did you go pee-pee? Choo Choo, did you go pee-pee? Come on, Choo. 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 Come on. Come on, let's go pee-pee. Come on. Come! Let's go. Come on. She's limping. I don't know why she's limping. I checked her feet. I gotta go. First aid Canton, 11:30-ish, 12 to 18.